Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fried boiled eggs using an easy method. First, hard boil 6 to 8 eggs, then cool them in an ice bath and carefully peel. It's crucial to pat the peeled eggs completely dry with paper towels to ensure a crispy exterior. Next, set up your dredging station by placing about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour in a shallow dish. This simple preparation is key for the perfect texture. Now, let's get to frying. Heat about 1 inch of your preferred cooking oil in a heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat until it reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oil heats, lightly dredge each dry, peeled egg in the flour, ensuring an even, thin coating. Carefully place the floured eggs into the hot oil, frying them for 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture all around. Once your eggs are perfectly golden, carefully remove them from the hot oil using a slotted spoon. Place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil, which helps maintain their crispiness. This is the best time to season them generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, or any other spices you love. Serve these delightful fried boiled eggs warm, either as a satisfying snack or a unique, flavorful addition to any meal. For the best results, try using eggs that are a few days old. They tend to peel much more easily after boiling. Don't be afraid to get creative with your seasonings. A sprinkle of smoked paprika or a dash of chili powder can add an exciting kick. These fried eggs are incredibly versatile and can be enjoyed in many ways. Also, for an effortless way to keep your kitchen spotless, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.